Hello, I would like to share with you an update regarding the governor's recent plan to restore Illinois, and specifically its impact on our hometown of Lemont. Over the past week, we have been internally reviewing this plan, and over the past several weeks, we have been working closely with our business owners as well as 50 plus mayors across our three counties in Cook, Will, and DuPage. Together as mayors, we have sent several letters to the governor sharing our ideas to open up our businesses and communities. And in general, all the mayors are on the same page, and that is, it is time to open up our local economy, albeit with the necessary safety precautions. We certainly understand the difficult decisions that must be made at the state level. We agree data should drive decision making. In fact, here in Lemont, we have had 67 residents that have tested positive, which represents 0.3% out of 22,000 people. Over the past month, we have averaged approximately one new positive test per day. That is the definition of flattening the curve. The Restore Illinois plan consists of 5 phases, and we are currently in phase number 2, the flattening phase. The next step is to progress into phase number 3, which could happen by June if our entire Northeast region, including Chicago, continues to flatten and total positive tests are 20% or less. Phase number 3, recovery, will allow retail and offices to open. However, it will not allow restaurants. Restaurants can open, and gatherings of 50 people or less will be allowed in phase number 4, revitalization. At the earliest, not until the end of June, could we enter phase number 4. Phase number 5, coined Illinois Restored, is when the economy is fully open and there is a vaccine or similar medical treatment available to everyone. Unfortunately, phase number 5 is most likely a year or more down the road. The damage that has already been done to our local economy and our family-owned restaurants and other businesses is significant. Delaying in opening any longer will be devastating to them. We want the economy to open, and we need the economy to open. People want to get back to work. Residents want to enjoy their summer and also able to attend their church services. Because we're considered a small community with a population under 25,000, as a town, we cannot deviate from the governor's reopening plan and allow our local businesses to open early. In fact, businesses and towns have already been threatened that such deviations would jeopardize distributed town revenues as well as individual business licenses that are assigned by the state. As a small, non-home rule community, we will continue to work with our local mayors in all 3 counties and request the following 3 revisions to the current Restore Illinois plan. First, suburbs in all collar counties should not be in the same region as the city of Chicago, especially for the purposes of criteria to move from one phase to the next. Second, safely reduce the requirements to move from one phase to the next, such as allowing restaurants to open in phase number 3. And third, provide specific safety precautions and measures for our most vulnerable aging population. Unfortunately, about 1/2 of COVID-19 deaths are patients living in state-regulated long-term care facilities. Again, let me reemphasize These requests must be and can be implemented with proper safety measures. Unfortunately, if COVID-19 is similar to influenza, we will have to continue to live with this virus in our daily lives. But please, continue to take the necessary reasonable precautions, but we cannot let this virus control us or stop us to live as a community here in Lemont.